Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here. Okay, so I have had tons of questions on one of my most recent videos, the installation of the Whitestone dome glass screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, with some of those questions being, is the screen protector worth it to buy because it could be a bit pricey at around 50 bucks on Amazon? Does it leave a lot of residue if you remove it? Is it hard to remove it? So today in this video, I am going to show how to remove it. There is one of two ways to remove it, and you're also going to be able to see if there's any residue left on the display or not. But as far as it actually being worth it for you to buy for your device, my thinking is you really want to make sure you're going to invest in something good that's going to be able to protect your screen free from any scratches or cracks. That way you don't have to risk having to go out and pay for an actual screen repair, because that could get pretty pricey, especially on these Samsung displays. So 50 bucks over a couple $100, to me that is worth it. And for me personally, the screen protectors actually work really good. They've been working great on all of my devices. They are case friendly. They work great with my Rinky cases, my Incipio cases, my sub case cases. So yeah, they pretty much are case friendly. Like I said, me personally, I haven't had any problems with them at all. And surprisingly, as much as I drop my phone, they have not cracked. They do have a few scratches on the screen protectors, but you can't really notice them. And that's one thing. You don't even notice that the screen protector is there. You can't even tell. Even people that I show, they don't even realize that I have a screen protector on my device. So that's always good as well. If you don't want to be able to tell that it's there, it basically feels like you're using the regular screen on your device. But of course, everybody is going to have their own experience with these screen protectors. I've also heard people that the screen protector didn't really work out for them. So it's just gonna kind of depend on the person, your own personal opinion on these screen protectors. But like I said, for me, they have been working out just fine. But on this Samsung Galaxy S10 here, it has been dropped multiple times, and I'm surprised that the screen protector has not cracked it. It has developed a few air bubbles up here on the top, and that is it. The rest of it is perfectly fine. But from being dropped so much, yes, it did start developing these air bubbles up here. But we do have a replacement. As you can see in back of me, I do have replacements for this device. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to remove the screen protector from this device. And this will pretty much go for any device that you have this screen protector on. So I'm gonna be using the Galaxy S10 for this video, and there is one of two ways. So we're gonna try one of the ways, and if that doesn't work out, then we will try the other one, but I will explain both to you. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I am all set up and ready to go, and as you can see, I do have a replacement screen protector right here. So after we're done removing this, I would do a quick installation of this as well. I'm not gonna go through all the full detailed steps. I do have a dedicated video for that for the Galaxy S10, the S10 Plus, and the Note 10 Plus as well, which I will leave linked down in the description below in case you want to check out those installation videos. But like I said, I will throw it at the end here just so you can kind of see how I reinstall the screen protector on this device. Now, like I said, there are two different ways that you can remove the screen protector, and it is super simple. Now, you can either heat up the screen protector with a blow dryer right here if you want to run it over for a couple seconds to make sure you get it nice and heated. It will come off, or you can basically just put your nail under the screen protector and it should come right off. I've done this once before and it came right off just right without even having to heat it up. So we're gonna go ahead and try that first without heating it up, and if it doesn't seem to work out, then we will heat it up and take it off that way. But let me go ahead and try this here. I'm just gonna put my nail right under the corner right here, and look at that, coming off just great. So once it starts coming off like that, you're gonna want to make your way around the edges, bring it up a little bit. Now it will crack a little bit if you don't heat it up, which is fine. It's not gonna mess anything up. Here you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of pull it up from the top here. There we go. Just keep pulling. And as I'm pulling it up, I'm pulling outward like this as I'm pulling it up. Let me go ahead and work my way down a little bit. Let's go to this side. Go ahead and put my nail under here as well. Just work my way around. There we go. It's coming off, almost there. Go ahead and make our way around this way. It could be a lengthy process, but not coming out too bad. It's better when it doesn't crack. When it starts to crack like that, you could get little pieces of glass popping off, but for the most part, you should be okay. And there we go. We got it off, as you can see there. And as you can see, there is no residue left on the screen. Let me go ahead and wipe it down really quick. All right, so I got a towel here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just wipe around the screen pretty good. I did wet it just a little bit just to make sure I get it nice and clean. It looks like it's doing all right. I don't see any residue left on the display or anything like that, as you can see there. And it pretty much looks like a brand new display. Look at that. No residue left on the display, anything like that. It doesn't feel sticky, feels perfectly fine. So, like I said, it was pretty easy actually. As you can see, it only took about a minute, maybe less than a minute. Now, the screen protector did crack as we were taking it off, as you can see right here, which could be a problem sometimes. Some of you might not want it to crack like that when you take it off. So if you want to prevent it from cracking like this, you could go ahead and heat it up with the blow dryer, and it will most likely prevent it from cracking the way it did. But as you can see, it was not that hard to take off. It came off pretty easy and pretty fast. So now what I'm going to do at this point is go ahead and install the new one right here pretty quick. Like I said, I do have dedicated videos for these, which I will throw a link down in the description below for the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and the Note 10 Plus as well. I also got one for the OnePlus 7 Pro if you want to watch that as well. But this is just going to be a quick installation right here. All right, well, there it is. Look at that. Looking nice and brand new again. I think it did a pretty good job. There's no air bubbles or anything like that. No adhesive falling out of the edges. So, looking pretty good. So as you can see there, like I said, the Whitestone dome glass is definitely a great screen protector. I hope this video was able to help somebody out. Hopefully it answered your question on whether or not this is a good screen protector to get, and also how the removal process is as well, if it's easy or hard. And then you also saw that there was not really any residue left on the screen. We just had to do a quick wipe down, and we were ready to go and install the new screen protector. So everybody, let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Let me know if this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did like it and find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, this is Josh Quinones. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.